What's going on, guys? So by the title, somebody was asking me about what the title says, and I said I was gonna make a video about it because I guess the GTR is their dream car, and they're like, how do you be able to obtain all of these cars? And I also wanted to talk about additional stuff too as well. Basically, I'm gonna let you guys know what I do for a living. I try to, I guess, keep what I do private because there's a lot of stuff I can't talk about. I guess you could say I'm under oath that I can't talk about. But basically what I do is I work for the government. I'm in cybersecurity. What my role is basically, or my title of my job is cybersecurity vulnerability management. I handle all the vulnerabilities on the network. I'm not going to tell you exactly where I work because, you know, there's some weird people in the world and haters and all different types of stuff. So I'm not going to go too specific into it. But I'll tell you where I worked before. I worked at the Pentagon before. I've worked at Andrews Air Force Base, if you guys know where that is. It has the Air Force One for the president's plane. I worked at Bowling Air Force Base where they have basically the helicopters and, you know, White House communication and different stuff like that as well. But basically I handle all the vulnerabilities on the network. It is kind of cool because I've worked at these historic places. I'm kind of like protecting and serving the USA, which is kind of a pretty dope, sick job as well, making sure everything is secure and everything is up to date and stuff like that. So it is pretty kind of cool. I look at it just as a job, and I try to be the best at my job. That's what I mainly do. So I kind of like humble about it. I don't really kind of be like, oh, look at me, you know what I mean? Or I try to keep things private and just stay focused and always trying to level up in life and work toward my next goal or what I want to achieve in life as a whole. Oh man, it's a freaking Hellcat in front of me. Wide body. And this thing is chopping. But yeah, guys, basically I work in cybersecurity. So I also wanted to talk to you guys about some other stuff too. So I know there's a lot of talks about where the world is headed, and they've been talking about artificial intelligence and robotics. It's been a really trending topic that's been talked about, and the world is not looking good right now too, with a lot of people. I guess he has a Corsa exhaust because he has a Corsa sticker on the back, but a lot of people don't have jobs. The unemployment is really up there right now. It's almost to the pandemic job loss as well right now, which is insane with this new administration that we have, as the new president. Trump is the new president, and I'm not gonna get into politics and Democrat and Republican because a lot of this stuff is already planned out. I mean, I see things on a daily basis and I just be like, things are already planned out way ahead of people's time or what they think is gonna happen. Like, things are already planned out, or where things are headed, or what the mission is and things like that. Basically, a lot of people are going to continue to lose their job. A lot of mass layoffs are going to continue to happen, guys. I'm being honest with you guys. Like, this is what's going to happen. A lot of people, let me get over and let this person go. A lot of people are going to oh, it goes to one lane. Okay. A lot of people are going to continue to lose their jobs with the way the world's changing. At my job, we already use artificial intelligence. And recently, some stuff came out where they're basically telling us like, hey, we want you guys to continue to start using AI on a daily basis. This is where we're headed. This is the way of the future. Start using it. That's it. And it went up from the top. It came up from the top. So if someone is in a similar situation for me, they know exactly what I'm talking about too. So like, the world is changing. There's going to be more mass layoffs. There's been talks about universal basic income, which basically, with all of the people not having a job, they're going to be given their own income, which sounds insane. Like, even Elon Musk has even came out and talked about it, but he calls it universal high income, and I'll post a little screenshot on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about that he tweeted. But this stuff is already planned. This is already being talked about, and a lot of people are not going to be prepared for all the changes that are going to come. So I want to tell you guys this: you guys need to start using AI. You guys need to start getting familiar with it. Use it every single day. And I honestly, and another thing too is I'm noticing is, like, I have people that I used to work with that recently got left, like where I was working at, got new employment, worked someplace else, got laid off, and they can't find jobs, even in like a good field and stuff like that. I've seen trends online where they talk about, I graduated, I've applied for 200 jobs, I can't get an interview. Like, it's bad. Like, people can't really get jobs, and it's gonna get worse than this too, as data centers start getting finished being completed, being built, and more robotics start getting being brought out to take over these roles and tasks and stuff like that. Like, a lot of people are going to continue to get laid off, and it's not good at all. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It is not going to be good. And there's people that I'm working with, and they're getting to their retirement age and they can't retire, guys. So, which is insane. And another thing is too, which I have been paying attention to, and I don't think a lot of people are paying attention to, is your retirement. When it comes time to retire, and like I said, people want to retire and they can't retire because of how expensive and things have gotten, and inflation has went up, and it's not enough or whatever. And another thing is this, guys: if people can't have jobs, they're not going to have 401ks, because to get a 401k through your employer, you have to have a job. Every time you get paid, you pay into a 401k, and then your company will match that percentage by 4, 5, 6%. So if you do not have a job, then guess what? You won't have a 401k, and there's no way you can rely just on Social Security. That might be gone in the next couple years or so, or whatever. That might change. So you guys have to take your retirement into your own hands. So I went to the gym, guys. I also want to talk about this, and I asked people, do you invest in stocks? And a lot of people said no, they don't invest in stocks. And I'm just like, wait, so a lot of people don't like invest and have their money grow for them? And the answer came out to be no. So I want to help people, because I guess a lot of people don't know how to invest in stocks and what companies to invest in, especially the times that we're in. The stock market has been going into all-time highs for AI and robotics, and now energy, and then rare earth minerals, and you have aerospace, and they've been talking about putting data centers in space and solar in space so we can power data centers. So I'm gonna start a Patreon, and I want to help people learn how to take their investments into their own hands, because that's what you're gonna need to do to combat inflation and have your money grow for you and have a retirement. So I want to teach people how to invest in stocks and what companies to invest in. So if you guys are interested, the link is going to be in the description for the Patreon where you can join, and I'm going to teach you guys how to create a Roth IRA and how to achieve additional income to put more money into your Roth IRA. And later on we'll talk about a traditional Roth IRA, which is basically a taxable brokerage account, so you can basically have another stream of income as well. So I want to be able to help people, and it's gonna happen. I'm speaking out about this, about what's gonna happen. I see what's gonna happen, guys. I have to adapt, everyone's gonna have to adapt, or you will not have a job. I don't even know what is this world, this thing is at. But yes, guys, so that's what I do for a living. I'm in cybersecurity. I usually don't tell everybody. I usually, if somebody asks, I tell them, hey, I'm in IT. Oh, that's dope. But that's what I specifically, I'll come over here. That's what I specifically do. I'm in cybersecurity. And yeah, and then you guys know I do YouTube, and then I do other stuff on the side to create additional income. And I know I enjoy cars, but if there's opportunities to get ahead in life, yo, I'll put my money into that fully. And I will eventually, I wanted to talk about this too, because this whole new administration has been crazy for 2025 as well, with these tariffs and everything. And then when this new administration, Trump, announced like in April, hey, there's gonna be Liberation Day, and he dropped like all of these tariffs, the market pulled back. And I was like buying all of these stocks, because I'm like, yo, the market pulled back a lot. So I'm over here buying these stocks, and then all of a sudden a day or two goes by, and he tweets out, oh, it's time to buy. Then the market went all the way up to all-time highs. Like, it's been crazy. So at that moment I was like, yo, there's no way. Like, the corruption is crazy. Like, if you're not taking advantage of these opportunities, like, you will definitely miss out. So I definitely took advantage of that opportunity as well. But also, guys, I want you guys to comment below, like, what do you guys do for a living, and what car do you guys own as well? So definitely. And also, I'm interested in what you guys do for a living, or if you guys are in school, or what are your guys' careers? Because the Patreon, I was going to do long-term investing, and then I was going to talk about tech, or even how to use AI. So I've been thinking about adding that as well into the Patreon. But I would like to get you guys' thoughts, like, what do you guys do for a living, and drop below what cars do you guys have as well. But that's it for the video, guys. Like, I'm glad the guy asked this question that was interested and wanted to know, like, hey, what do you actually do? Can you make a video talking about it? And I also wanted to be able to help people and help them bring up this situation that's going on in the world, and help them out as well by learning how to invest into the stock market as well. So if you guys are interested, I'll put the Patreon link below, and comment below. I want to know what you guys do for a living, and what car do you guys have as well. But that's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.